And what we find is that when that fractal dimension starts to flatten and become linearized and you lose that pattern, then the bones start to get weak. And when you lose those fractal patterns with the blood vessels, then they stop transferring nutrients and minerals in efficient ways, in the ways they should be. And in our brains, when we lose that fractal dimension, then disease sets in as well. And so this was a study that was looking at the fractal dimension of the blood vessels in the eyes and how that is a biomarker for neurodegeneration. So things like Alzheimer's and strokes and other forms of dementia are often correlated with a loss of fractal architecture of the blood vessels within your eyes. And what we find is that often those fractal patterns break down before the actual disease sets in. So it's a biomarker in that sense as well. Um, when I hear about this, it's not just a physical linearization that I think of that's happening in our bodies that breaks down before disease sets in, but the spiritual aspects of a fractal being a form that comes home to itself at all levels of self. So the idea that it's losing its sense of self at all levels of self is also what's happening